Yeah, good day, everyone. Welcome back to another video, another vlog with me. Yeah, whereby I want to talk about something that happened to my life this year, 2025, in January 2025. So, this is how the story goes like. I grew up with a desire to go to a city called Bulawayo in this country of Zimbabwe. I grew up with a desire to go to a city, or I grew up with a passion in my heart to go to a city called Bulawayo in this country called Zimbabwe, Republic of Zimbabwe. I mean the second biggest or second largest city or town in this country, Zimbabwe. So I just wanted to go to Bulawayo and see how Bulawayo looks like because all of my life until January 2025, I'd never went to Bulawayo for whatever reason. Maybe education or maybe church conference or business conference or business seminar or business webinar, whatever purpose or whatever reason, I never went to Bulawayo as a person, as an individual. So it was my desire, it was my maybe dream or my passion in my heart to go to Bulawayo and see how Bulawayo looks like for me personally. So, like I've been saying in my other videos, that I was in South Africa, then I came back to Zimbabwe, or I relocated back to Zimbabwe. Yes. So when I came back to Zimbabwe, last year. Then I met my friend, my good brother. Then with a deal, with an agreement for me to go to Bulawayo. So we made an agreement because he's running a very good company, a very good company, fast rising company in Zimbabwe to do with finance and some electronic products. So we made an agreement, me and my friend, my good brother, that I should join his company, then he go and try to do some business on behalf of his company in this city of Bulawayo. So I finally went to Bulawayo because of the job that I had gotten uh, through my good friend, my good brother. So in January, I think end of January until 6 February, I was in Bulawayo. End of January until 6 February, I was in Bulawayo and I enjoyed everything. And I was so excited. I was very happy to see, okay, so this Bulawayo, wow. So this Bulawayo, how it looks like, all the streets in the Bulawayo CBD, Bulawayo, all the streets, everything, all the roads, the people. And mind you, uh, just for your own information, if you don't know, the city of Bulawayo is under Matabeleland province, whereby the tribe there is not Shona, is Ndebele people, Ndebele is Ndebele people, and they talk and communicate in Isindebele language. So it's a totally different area there. So if you are Shona and you've all lived your life in a Shona land, Shona area, when you go to that side, it's a completely different environment, completely different geographical jurisdiction. So I was there, I saw everything, I was happy, I was excited. I saw the Ndebele people, they were communicating in their language, Ndebele language, and everything was fine. Even the town, Bulawayo, it was very, very good, very, very fine. Uh, Nice roads, nice streets. The people were busy doing business in the CBD, and everything was going fine. So this is my story, or this is my account, how I finally achieved my dream or achieved my passion to see one of my city or town that I've been dreaming about all my life, which is the city of Bulawayo in Zimbabwe. So this is my story, this is my account. Of course, there are a lot of things that I saw which may be in a bad sense or in a negative sense, and I'll not comfortably share on this video right now. But but in terms of wisdom and intelligence, I'll just stick to saying the good that I saw in the city of Bulawayo, without mentioning or talking about the bad stuff that I saw, the negativity that I saw, or the negative things that I saw with my own two eyes. But overall speaking, I enjoyed I stayed in Bulawayo for 3 weeks, 3 good weeks, 1, 2, 3 good weeks in the city of Bulawayo. At this other hotel there, hotel or lodge in the main street by the name Prime Harris Hotel, Prime Harris Lodge. So I was there for 3 weeks, doing business in the company of my friend, my good brother, there in Bulawayo. So I enjoyed my time. I enjoyed everything. Mm, it's really a nice city. It's really a nice city. So now, according to what I saw, when they say it's the second biggest city in Zimbabwe or the second largest city in Zimbabwe, I do think I agree. Because back there, I used to dispute that fact. I used to disagree on that account. But based on what I saw, I really think it's the second largest city of this country, truly speaking. I do agree. I do uh, give my subscription to that statement. So this is my story. This is my account. So in January 2025, I finally went to that city that I've been dreaming of, that I've been visioning in my mind, that I've been imagining all this time while in my mind that I want to go to Bulawayo. So I finally went through the company of my friend, my good brother, in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe. I was happy, I was excited. I saw everything, the good and the bad, the ugly and the beautiful. I saw everything. But on this video, I just shared you the good things. The roads were nice, the shops, the supermarkets, and people doing business in the CBD, hearing people talking Ndebele language right in front of my eyes, seeing Ndebele people live and direct. It was so good. It was a nice sight. It was a nice experience. It was a nice experience, I can say. So this is my story. This is my account. Thank you so much for listening, for tuning in. Yours, Kudzimadze. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. So I'm signing out now. I'm signing out now. I'm signing out now. Remember to pray. I'll see you in the next video. Sharp.